Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, we're gonna make egg salad sandwich. So for ingredients, let's check down below. So you will need about 8 hard-boiled egg, salt, Dijon mustard. If you don't have it, just regular yellow mustard is fine. Black pepper, smoked paprika, lemon juice, some lettuce, tomato, bell pepper, I have the red and orange, green onion, and mayo. So now, let's make it. First thing you need to do, you want to crush your hard-boiled egg. So this is what it looks like. I like my egg salad sandwich just a little bit chunkier. So there you go. And now we're gonna add seasoning to it. From this point, I'm gonna add my paprika. Green onion. I'm gonna mix it a little bit. Now I will add half a cup of mayo, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, a little bit of salt to taste, a little bit of black pepper to taste, smoked paprika, about 1/4 teaspoon, and 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Now we can mix it. We're gonna give it a little taste. It's really good, so I already tasted it. It's good. Now at this time, after you taste it, if you want to add a little bit more black pepper, a little bit more seasoning, go ahead. You have to adjust it to your taste. Now we're gonna serve it on top of our bread. The bread that I'm using over here is gonna be white bread. You can use any bread you like. So I'm gonna add my lettuce, which is I'm gonna use iceberg, slice of tomatoes, and then I'm gonna add my egg salad. Now I'm gonna cut it. And there you go, your egg salad sandwich is done. So that's it for our today's video. If you like this video, please give us a like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.